The image has never been so widely available, and the photographic industry is providing a wide range of technology to satisfy this contemporary thirst. Digital cameras, 360-degree and 8K video, drones and phones. The market is huge when you consider 350 million photos are posted on Facebook, 95 million on Instagram, 400 million on Snapchat, and 1.6 billion via WhatsApp every single day. The Photokina trade show in Cologne keeps the consumer in the picture. Today's younger generation is growing up in a totally different way. They consider pictures as the most natural things in the world. It's only natural that along with this daily exposure to image comes a desire to improve the quality of the pictures, to make better videos. In my opinion, social media has done wonders for our industry. The change is a move away from digital. Classic cameras are struggling to find an audience when smartphones produce such quality images.
The power of mobile phones now allow anyone, a film student, a cinematographer, to make a film with some lenses and your mobile device, and it no longer looks like it was shot on a phone. They can't tell the difference between a proper camera and a mobile device with some good lenses.
Multicopters and drones are expanding rapidly, and Photokina demonstrated the efficiency and flexibility on offer. Action cams have a number of advantages compared to more traditional cameras. Initially, as one can see, it's a compact design. We launched this one yesterday. It's watertight outside, it's casing too. It's incredibly robust. You can be really adventurous with it, and that means you can definitely put this to use for a low budget and have fun. Two of the most exciting expansions in the video industry are virtual and augmented reality solutions. Sales of just under 9 million VR headsets are forecast for 2016. So there are futuristic concepts, but also a revival in analog products. The Polaroid camera had almost died out, and now instant cameras are enjoying a real boom and are even overtaking their precursors when it comes to sales. Today, people want things they can hold in their hands, which isn't just digital. Instant cameras are suitable for everyone because they're so easy to use, and you can be holding a nice snap in your hand within seconds. Photokina boasts 1,000 exhibitors showcasing a variety of products that represent the latest innovations in this rapidly moving picture market.